Most people think in Haiti we have only poverty, bad environment, but it's different when you start to know what's going on deep inside Haiti. This is Septentrional. It is the greatest band in Haiti. It has thrived in Haiti for 60 years. Nobody would believe what was taking place.
Nous venons en balle. Monsieur Vini, il dit vieux Duvalier. C'est là, c'est grrr.
In the 50s, I was a young boy. We were about to go to school and you hear on the radio a guy going to be executed by order of the president, and the school had to bring the students to watch it.
Ça nous-mêmes c'est musique. C'est musique qui a fait pas nous-mêmes. Nous pas connaître rien.
Music is like a weapon, against the adversity.